Uncle, drive carefully. Are you all right?
Yes, Radha, I'm fine. You should check on the kids.
Ajit, why is the bus swaying? Has the driver lost his mind? He will cause an accident.
What were you saying? That we should risk the lives of 2 of our family members.
Of course. If that man is doing all this to take revenge on your family, then only you should suffer. Why should we?
Radha, Mohan and Uncle Ajit are behind in a car.
Ajit has also come with Mohan.
Mohan! Mohan!
You don't be scared. I'm here. I'm coming onto the bus. Just wait. Ajit,
No,
move it closer.
Mohan, don't come inside. No. Our lives are already in danger. I cannot put your life in danger as well.
Ajit, what if I die?
Ketki, what are you saying? I will not let anything happen to you. I will save you.
Yes, I know.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here with you all.
Mohan, this is not the time to get sentimental. Have faith in me. I have to cross this hurdle alone.
Yes, Mom. You are absolutely right. Radha is there no matter what. She will die, but she won't let Mohan get hurt. I know that. I cannot spoil my plans so easily.
Yes.
I need to do something so that Radha and Gungun die. But Mohan remains unhurt. And Tulsi doesn't suspect us either.
Tulsi? Please leave, Mohan.
Radha, will you stop your nonsense? I'm not gonna leave you from here.
Ajit, you understand that we cannot risk so many lives, right? You know what you have to do, right?
Yes, Radha.
No, Ajit. Listen, don't do anything. You know that Radha won't be able to do it alone.
Now we can only trust Radha and her Lord Krishna, Mohan.
Ajit, no! Ajit, what are you doing? Radha needs us because she can't do it alone.
Mohan, we would have created problems for her by staying with her. Radha will have to cross these barricades alone.
Police officer, please move aside. There is a bomb on the bus. Move aside. There is a bomb on the bus. Gungun, Ketki, please be seated.
It's approaching at high speed. It can be dangerous to stop it.
Sir, he isn't slowing down, he's speeding up.
Move aside quickly.
Hey, move aside!
All hail Lord Krishna. Hail Lord. I cannot control the bus.
Dulari, take care of the house. And yes, stay near the phone all the time. Call me immediately if the need arises, okay?
Kadambari! Kadambari!
Sister, what's the matter? Why do you look so scared?
Damini, Dulari, go and get me some water.
What's the matter?
Damini is untying the protective shield so that Tulsi could save Radha, Mohan and everybody else.
Why didn't I think of that, sister? In fact, Tulsi is the one who can save Gungun, Radha, Ketki and all the other children that are in the bus.
But Kadambari, you please don't forget. That last time when we had a problem, that time why we did not untie the protective shield?
Don't forget that Tulsi is a spirit. She is in this house only for her daughter. What if she kills Gungun and takes her away?
It is possible that, along with Gungun, she takes Mohan also away.
No. No. I won't let that happen. I must stop Damini.
Damini is untying the protective shield. How is that possible?
Tulsi, I know you must be wondering why I am doing all this. I want you to save Mohan. I admit that I don't like Gungun and Radha at all. But Mohan means the world to me. I can't let anything happen to him. And regardless of how bad I am, but I won't let Gungun die. Tulsi, I am not her mother, but I am not her enemy either. So if I have to set you free in order to save them, then so be it.
Not just Mohan and Gungun need to be saved, but so many other innocent children also need to be saved. Damini, please quickly untie the protective shield. Hurry up. Make it quick.
What's taking Mom so long? Tulsi will definitely save Radha and Gungun if I untie the protective shield. Oh no, am I ruining my own plan?
Mother?
Move.
But mother,
I said back off.
Mother, why are you doing this? Only Tulsi can save us from this problem.
Damini, why don't you try to understand? Tulsi will not solve our problems. Instead, she will aggravate them. Tulsi is a spirit. What will I do if she takes my son and my granddaughter away?
But mother...
You are aware that Tulsi is in this house only for Mohan and Gungun. And I can't jeopardize my son and my granddaughter's lives.
Mother, what are you saying? You know I can't do anything like that to Mohan and Gungun. And I want Mohan and Radha to get married so that Gungun gets a mother. Please don't stop her. Please untie the protective shield. Please, Damini, untie it.
Yes, mother, you are probably right. Tulsi is probably angry due to Radha and Mohan's turmeric ceremony.
Mother, please don't do this. For the first time, Damini wants to do something right. Please untie the protective shield.
Don't worry, Damini. Mohan, Radha, Ketki, Gungun, and all the other children will be saved, no matter what. Come on, let's go. Let's go, sister.
Let's go.
Mother, where are you going? Please untie the protective shield. Please, Mother. Mother!
All the children okay? Yes.
Come on, Ajit, follow the bus.
Was that what you had planned? The bus moved forward. Your barricades couldn't stop the bus.
Ma'am, those barricades weren't meant to stop the bus. They were there to decrease the speed of the bus. There is another barricade positioned further ahead. Please don't worry. Ma'am, look at this. It won't be easy for the bus to cross this barricade.
It's good that I took the shortcut and got here early. Until everyone gets here, Radha will be finished.
Look, the bus is slowing down. Look carefully.
Once the speed of the bus drops below 60 km per hour, they will be ready to go to heaven for sure.
Another barricade? Are they trying to kill the children and Radha on purpose? I told Damini that there should be no barricades.
Oh Lord Krishna, I mustered the courage to take the wheel of the bus. Please keep me in your grace. Children, hold tight. Hey Lord Krishna.
Great job, Radha, great job. She turned out to be a very good driver.
What the hell? Bus didn't stop here either. Now please don't say that it was also intended to reduce speed and that you have placed another barricade.
Exactly, ma'am. We have placed barricades at 3 places. 2 were placed to decrease the speed of the bus and the final one to stop the bus. Look at that. Ma'am, look at this. This is final barricade. The bus should stop here. Ma'am, our team is waiting near the last barricade. Once the bus stops, they will arrest the criminal. Mission successful. It is time to nab the hijacker. Get ready. Look, the bus is about to stop.
The bus will explode and not stop. Mission successful, Damini.
Lord Krishna, how will I cross that? I cannot do this. How will I do this? I don't know what to do.
The police are creating hurdles for Radha instead of making it easier for her.
I don't understand, Mohan, how Radha will be able to cross these barricades.
She will cross them, Ajit. She has to.
But Mohan, the speed of the bus will decrease once it hits the barricade. It's very dangerous for them. Now we will catch the criminal. We will nab the criminal.
We will get their ashes.
Give me strength, Lord Krishna.
Radha, what are you doing? I admit that we can't decrease the speed of the bus, but why are you increasing it?
Ketki, that's the solution we have.
Mohan, why is Radha increasing the speed of the bus?
Very smart. Radha is increasing the speed of the bus so that the barricades move away when they hit the bus while the bus speed remains unchanged. But Ajit, it won't be easy. Because if any barricade gets stuck under the bus may lose balance and roll over. Or it may stop. Hey Lord Krishna, by any chance you must help me today. Yours and my Radha's life is in danger. Please keep her safe. Oh Lord Krishna, keep Radha, Gungun, Ketki and all the children safe.
Why is this bus speeding up?
They are eager to die.
If I hit the bus with the barricades at high speed, the bus will move ahead without stopping. Otherwise, the bus's speed will drop after colliding with the barricades. Do this. Tell all the children to sit on their seats and tightly hold on to something.
Oh, okay. Children, hold your seat tightly and keep your head down, okay?
Come on, Radha, come on. Yes, yes.
No, Lord Krishna. I can't afford to become weak. It's the matter of so many innocent lives. Give me strength. Radha, your head is injured, Radha.
Radha, are you okay? You are hurt, Radha?
Yes, I'm okay.
Radha, you did it. You saved us from the barricades. Don't give up now, okay? All of us are with you. Radha, ignore the fear and keep going.
But Aunt, Radha is really hurt. Gungun, I am fine. Don't worry.
Hey Mohan, Radha kept Gungun and the other children safe in the bus.
Radha really turned out to be the best driver.
Yes.
Ajit, let's go. We need to stop the police.
Yes.
It will be very difficult for Radha if the barricades keep coming like that.
Yes.
Let's go.
Inspector, what's going on? Why couldn't you stop the bus yet?
Ma'am, we tried to stop it with proper planning, but the girl who is driving the bus, she's too good. She crossed all the barricades on the road.
Tell me, Inspector, who's that girl?
Radha.
This Radha has transitioned from a priestess to a pilot. Just see, she's flying the bus like a plane. What have you done?
No matter how good a driver you are, Radha, today this bus will be the death of you.
Mohan, how is this possible? Why is Radha driving the bus?
Mom, because in this situation, the bus driver had panic attacks. He is unable to drive, hence Radha is driving the bus.
Okay, fine. But why hasn't Radha stopped the bus yet?
Because there is a bomb in the bus. Bomb.
Bomb?
Yes, Mom. The man has connected the bomb with the engine. If the bus speed goes below 60 km/h, the bomb will go off, Mom.
Oh no! Remove the barricades! There is a bomb on the bus!
What is happening, Mohan?
This is truth, Mom. Truth. And that's why I had told Damini to inform you and the police.
But Mohan, Damini didn't tell us about it. She told us that we must stop the bus at any cost.
I told you that there was a bomb on the bus and asked you to inform everyone. Why didn't you inform them?
Well, Mohan actually.
Dad, she might have not heard you properly, so forgive her, my dear.
Aunt, please stay out of this. Come here.
Mohan.
My daughter, my sister, my Radha, their and children's lives are in danger. Have you gone mad or what, Damini? Everything would have ended today. If you did not hear me, you could have called again.
Mohan, I tried to call you but didn't get through. Perhaps there was a network issue. I heard that we should put the barricades. What are you saying, Mohan? Gungun is my daughter too. I cannot risk her life.
But you already have, Damini. Your excuse that the network was weak is useless.
It is not an
Mr. Mohan.
excuse.
I should not interfere in your private matters. But there is a network problem in this area. We tried to call you so many times, but could not get through at all. Otherwise, we would have contacted you, but we couldn't.
Did you hear that, Mohan? There is a network issue. You may consider me wrong, but I will never take such a huge risk with Gungun's life, Mohan.
Yes, son. Yes.
Oh Lord Krishna, please don't let these kids' faith in you waver. Please protect them, my Lord.
Dear, what happened? I want to go home. I want to go to my mom. Dear, just a little longer. We are going there, yeah?
Chill. Radha has told us, have faith in Lord Krishna. We all will reach home soon.
Mohan, where are you? I cannot see you.
This rescue operation. Do something, Inspector. What are you doing?
Mr. Mohan, the rescue plan will be ready in 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Hey, Mohan. The bus must have gone far by now. We should get going.
Mohan?
Hey, Mohan, Radha is alone and must be scared. And you have to give her strength, Mohan. Radha Mohan are hit when they are together. Mr. Mohan, the lady who is driving the bus, Radha, isn't she your wife? She is very courageous, very good.
She's not Mohan's wife. I am Mohan's wife. We are going to get married.
I'm sorry, it was my mistake, ma'am. I misspoke.
But you're right that she is very courageous. She can do anything.
Yes. She can do everything. She also has trapped our Mohan.
Mom, I should go now. Radha and the children need me. I should be with them.
Yes, Mohan, you go there. I will make a conference call to tell you the plan. If we work together, we can save Radha, Gungun, Ketki and the children for sure.
And there should be no mistakes again, Damini. And don't make excuses that your phone stopped working or your phone fell or that you fainted.
Don't worry, Mohan. I will handle it.
She will do it. Mohan, be careful.
Yes,
Take
Mom.
care.
Move, Ajit.
Mohan, let me drive the car. You focus on Radha and the kids. I will focus on the road.
Mohan, where are you?
Ajit, you know, two scooters were 1 kilometer behind us. Now they are 2 kilometers ahead of us.
That is true, Mohan. When it comes to the vehicles, our country has progressed by leaps and bounds, huh?
You know, Ajit, I'm not talking about India's vehicle progress plan. Without spelling it out, I was trying to tell you to drive faster.
Mohan, how will I understand if you don't tell me clearly? But now I understand, no problem. No problem, I will drive faster. Who will do it if not me, Mohan?
Madam, we have made the rescue plan. Come, let me show you.
Sure.
Sir,
Please don't. Sir, please don't go ahead.
Where are you
Please
going?
don't.
Wait.
Hey, sir, tell me the plan. They are just some reporters. The family can handle them. Come on, let's find a way to save the children, please.
Yes.
Hey, you accident prone! For the first time, you have caused an accident at the right time in a right place. Very good.
Keep your anger to yourself, Mohan. Where were you? You know, I was waiting for you. And where had you gone, leaving me alone like that?
Hey, I made a mistake. Sorry.
Mistake? Is this the time to make mistakes, Mohan? Don't you say every day that you worry about me? Today, when I'm driving with my life at risk, I don't know where you wandered off to.
Oh, I...
No, Mohan. If you do this, I will leave you forever. And I will never talk to you. Do you know how scared I was? I was waiting for you, but I wonder where you were. You don't even care about me. Mohan, I called you so many times. I gave you so many hints. But you came to help me so late. You don't even listen to me carefully.
I told you I made a mistake. I won't leave you again. Now I will always be there with you, even if you go to the bathroom. It was a joke. Anyway, when Radha and Mohan are together...
They are hit.
Exactly.
तुम पे हम तो मरे जा रहे हैं, मिटने की जिद किए जा रहे हैं। तुम पे
Look ahead.
हम तो मरे जा रहे हैं, मिटने
Ketki, please don't worry, dear. I will never leave you alone anywhere, anytime, Ketki.
Like, you will marry someone who doesn't make you massage your feet.
Hey, Ketki, I really enjoy doing that for you. If not me, who will massage your feet, Ketki? And anyway, you are not going to die so soon.
Hey Ajit, stop talking about death. It is shooting up. What? My blood pressure.
मोहन conference call.
I think the officer is calling me to tell me the decided plan.
Answer it, answer it.
Mohan, take it.
Take this phone.
Careful, take it easy, Mohan. Ketki, take the phone to
Ketki?
Radha and put it on speakerphone.
Ketki?
Listen to the rescue plan properly. It is a conference call.
Yes, Ajit, I'll listen to it.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Sir, listen carefully. There are 3 steps in the plan. Number 1, we have to take the bus to an area where no one else's life is at risk. Step number 2, we have invited an expert driver for this. The plan is that the expert driver will drive a trawler parallel to the bus. Both vehicles will run parallel at the same speed. Now, step number 3. Now, between both vehicles, we will make a rescue bridge and shift the children from the bus into the trawler. One last thing, Mohan. It is extremely risky.
What risk?
We will save everybody but the driver. Ma'am, why did you not let me inform him that there was no way to save the driver? That Radha might lose her life in this mission. Why didn't you let me inform Mohan?
Look, in order to save one life, we cannot put 20 lives in danger at all. Do you have any other plan?
No.
Look, sir, Radha is like a sister to me. I am most worried about her. But I can't forget that my daughter is also there on the bus. I don't know if I am right in my capacity as a mom or sister, but I know one thing for sure. I can't betray the trust of the mothers whose children are still stuck on that bus. You got it? If we tell Radha and Mohan that we might not be able to save Radha, they can be discouraged. Look, you find a way to save all the kids. And don't worry, Radha is my responsibility. I promise. Mohan, your Radha is doomed. Now even Lord Krishna won't be able to save her.
Why are you always unjust to me, Lord Krishna? I lost my life and yet you do injustice to me. It's not ending after my death. I just wanted to be able to protect my whole family, but you didn't let me do that. I wanted to live. But you did not let me live. I wanted to be with my husband and daughter, but you didn't let me do that either. But fine. I'm fine with all the injustice you did to me, but I cannot tolerate what you are doing today with them. I have come back so that I can protect my family. But you are not letting me do that either. If you wanted to make me helpless, then you should have made me stone-hearted. So that whatever is happening wouldn't affect me like this, Lord Krishna. Why did you bring me back into this world? Answer me, why did you bring me back? If you want me to protect my family, then give me the strength.
Don't worry, Radha. I will call Damini again. There must be a way to get everyone out safely.
Yes, Mohan.
Hello, Damini. The officer spoke about some risks. What risk?
The officer said that we should focus on these 3 steps first. After that, we will talk about it.
Hey, but...
Mohan, our first priority is to save the children. Am I right? Radha, are you listening to me?
Yeah, Sister Damini, I'm listening.
Look, Radha, no one can do what you are doing right now. Please don't lose hope. Hold on for a while longer. We will save all the kids soon. After that, we will save you. Yes, Mohan, don't worry about Radha. We will save her for sure. That's why we have called for expert drivers.
Nothing will happen, Radha. Don't worry, we are with you.
Do you know how hard it is for a mother to see her child in danger? It is worse than death. Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna. Don't kill my only hope, please. Lord Krishna, please give me the strength so that I can save my whole family. And if I can't do that, then give Radha the strength to save Gungun, Ketki, and all the other innocent children. Those children are innocent, Lord Krishna. They haven't even lived their lives. What happened to me? Please, please don't let it happen to them, Lord Krishna. Don't let that happen. Please save all of them. Please give Radha the strength, Lord. Please.
Whether I survive or not, I will ensure nothing happens to the kids, the driver, Ketki, and anyone sitting on the bus. This is a promise, Lord Krishna.
Radha, look in the front. Are the police trying to kill the children and Radha on purpose? Why haven't they vacated the roads yet?
You are quite brave. You want to save the lives of others instead of your own family members. It's not easy to risk the lives of your family members for the sake of others. Great. You are really great.
If anything happens to Radha, I won't be able to forgive myself. But if anything happens to those children because of my decision, I won't be able to live with that burden at all, sir. And I have learned that one should help others before helping one's loved ones. We will first get the children out. After that, we can think of something.
Okay. According to our sources, AVR International School bus was hijacked. The kidnapper of this mission hasn't been identified yet. The children were being carried in the bus for an inter-school singing competition. The lives of all these 20 children in the bus are in danger. There has been a new development in the AVR International School bus hijacking case that this bus was hijacked because the kidnapper wanted to exact revenge on the Trivedi family. And if we have to believe our sources, the sensational news is that Radha is driving this bus right now. We would like to tell our viewers that this girl is the same person who had saved Mohan Trivedi's daughter, Gungun Trivedi's life by removing her out of the ditch a couple of months ago. Yes, that was Radha.
Radha, he's driving the bus. But what is happening there?
Hello, did you fix a bomb or a sparkler? Why isn't it going off?
It will go off, ma'am. I have done the needful. The bus will blast at all costs today.
Have you left the city?
I will be leaving soon.
What do you mean? Are you waiting to seek your mom's blessings? Leave right now.
Damini,
Did Pumpkin overhear my conversation? All my plans will get ruined.
who are you sending away, Damini?
Mother, actually,
What's the hurry and who do you want to send off?
Radha, don't lose hope. I am with you.
Tell me, Damini, who do you want to send away?
In the last 2 months, the Trivedi family has encountered 2 major incidents. Trouble seems to follow Gungun Trivedi wherever she goes. So should we assume that Gungun Trivedi is a jinx for the Trivedi family? Is she the reason why so many children are in danger today?
Wait a minute! Excuse me? What did you say? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? How could you call a child a jinx? How can you say that? In order to make your news sensational, how could you all stoop so low? And you don't know, but that child is my granddaughter, Kadambari Devi's granddaughter. How dare you say a word against her?
Mom, it's time to work your magic now. I want you to handle them. I will handle Mohan.
Disgusting, disgusting, disgusting! Oh my! I will curse you all! Aren't you ashamed of yourselves? How could you call our child a witch? May you all rot in the hell! I am an innocent widow. I will curse all of
Sister,
you and you all
stop it.
will lose your jobs. This widow is not
What
going
are
to
you
stand
doing?
all of you.
Stop her! Stop it!
Wait, what are you
Stop
doing?
it!
What are you doing?
What are you doing,
Not
sister?
done. Can't do this.
Stop her, Shekhar!
Stop
Stop
it.
her!
You do all this, I will kill you.
This is amazing. Before Pumpkin suspects me, I will keep her busy with this problem. Once Radha and Gungun die, I will handle all her doubts. Nothing will beat me.
This is how the Trivedi family behaves. They are misbehaving with the reporters and manhandling them.
No, no!
Hey,
Hey,
this
stop
is
it!
how the
I'm
Trivedi
not
family
stop it.
behaves.
Are you?
They are
Are
misbehaving with
you?
the reporters.
And this is not the way.
Stop.
I am thinking about others. I want to get them out of my way. Oh Lord Krishna, please help me. Help me. What plan, mother?
Do you think I'm a fool? Tell me the truth, Damini. Did you really not hear Mohan telling you not to put the barricades? Or did you not tell Shekhar about it on purpose?
I have committed so many sins. I can commit one more. As it is, so many children will die today. Gungun, Radha and Ketki will die. Let's add another death to it. Before you ruin all my dreams, you pumpkin mother, I will throw you off the cliff.
There's a lot of traffic ahead. How will Radha cross it?
We are running out of diesel. Why is Mohan taking so long? Lord Krishna, it's okay if I die. Please save others.
I hope I don't lose the one for whom I did everything. I have to do something. I have to stop Mohan at any cost. No, Mohan, you can't go.